a hole with a lot of bees. And we have this jerk off that's going to come over. What's his name?
CJ.
CJ what?
Fritch.
CJ Fritch?
Oh, God.
He is going to sit over that hole.
Get a
Bare
close-up on the
ass.
bees.
Bare ass.
They're still pissed?
See how pissed off they are when we throw beer on them? They get
There's still
fucking
a lot of beer there.
angry.
Travis, should we put honey on his ball sack?
Dude,
We should put some honey on his ball sack.
that would be great.
Yo, dip your balls in honey, dude.
We might dip his balls in honey. It'll be awesome.
You can't see this.
They are super unhappy about that.
Lion's Head's Jeep beer.
Just kidding.
I know, I see him. How's it going up there, old man?
It's getting burnt with the fucking pee.
I'm done. Like, my whole body burns. Like I stung on my leg. Side of my finger right there.
I'm pissed. I stung on the ass when I sat down. I think I sat on like 3 of them.
They're all down here still.